Korea! We made it to Osaka! Ang ganda! Dito pa lang! God!
Wala ka hassle dito.
Wala ka hassle, oy. Not to inspire, but to brag. I am so proud kasi si Alec ang travel navigator namin for this trip.
Sabihin naman ng vlog mo, lagi naman eh.
Ha?
Sabihin naman ng vlog mo, lagi naman. Anong bago?
Sure. Tingnan natin kung wala navigate niya papuntang Airbnb. So, it's 1 p.m. and yung check-in pa namin is 4 p.m. 1.5 hours going to the Airbnb. So, kakain na lang muna kami sa Namba Station. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron sa Namba Station, pero alam ko lang na everyone's talking about Namba. So, let's go! So, our ticket is express ticket to Namba Station. This is 970 yen each. Kumain sa Namba City. Yung Namba Station, para siyang Trinoma na ang daming malls. So, nasa south kami. Tapos kumain lang kami kung saan yung mukhang masarap yung pagkain. Ito, tapos may mga ganito naman sila. Then you just download a translator so you can understand the menu. So far, mahal yung food. Wow!
Wow! Wow!
Good, looks good. So you put this. To start off, walang tataba. Guys, 1 hour pa bago yung maging okay Airbnb namin. So we have to find a place to stay first. Ito muna kami. Mag-matcha. Ready na ba kayo mag-matcha? Yeah! Sobrang antok ko na. Wow, bigla akong inakap nung may camera. Plastic. Ang pinakamahirap na flight talaga is yung 6 a.m. flight. Pero, tinake namin yun kasi ang dating dito lunch and we know na yung check-in is 3 p.m. So, sakto lang yun. So, ngayon, it's 3:07 which is 2 p.m. in Manila. Sobrang antok ko na. 12 hours na kami bumabiyahe. Ano masasabi mo sa biyahe natin?
Ito, yung mukha ko. Kumain ng masasarap.
Yeah.
Looking forward. Gusto ko ramen, tapos mga curry. And then sana may mahanap ako masarap na kape. And then sashimi.
Sashimi. Anong gusto mong kainin, love? Ako, checklist ko. Gyudon, takoyaki, okonomiyaki. Oh my God. Look at this.
Okay.
Bata natin, nilalaro. Fairness, ang cute.
Huwag tayo malasing dito, be. Ay, ang ganda.
Go, babe. Ikahuhulog mo pa yan, Cuenca.
Bigat eh.
Ingat, my love, ah. Thanks, Jules. Ano to eh, basta pinilahan nila sa labas. So, pumila din kami, kumain kami.
So basically, yung subway nila parang may mall. Meron na kami nakita dito na isang pinipilahan ng mga tao. Kaya, tinry namin. Yun yung mga food gusto nila like burgers, meat, beef.
Gusto kami kumain. Sobrang efficient dito kumain. After mo kumain, alis ka na agad. Ganon. Anyway guys, si Alec,
Nasubo, alis namin.
so far di pa siya nakakain ng sobrang sarap. Kasi kung ano-ano in-order niya. Tingnan natin kung masasarapan siya sa food dito.
Our day one is a thing. Japan is not for you. Damn.
Baka tanggapin mo na lang. It's not for you.
You made it.
Kami sa Japan.
Sure, hindi namin ito in-AI. Sure talaga, nasa Japan kami.
Yan yung proof.
Tagal ko na gusto talaga pumuntang Osaka. Except wala ko laging kasama. So ngayon, home. Lost and home! Okay, kakauwi lang namin sa Airbnb. And syempre, dahil may malapit na Lawson, kinailangan namin dumaan. So first on the list, syempre essentials. Important yung mga binibili natin din. So yung first, water. How about you?
Kasi maganda yung naka-caricature dito. Very interesting.
Ice cream.
Ay, excited akong tikman yan.
Kano itong mga ice cream?
Hindi ko alam.
Mangoes.
Mas healthy to, chocolate. Uy, parang sarap nito, oh.
Diba?
Never mind the calories.
Ito, Yakult. Ang sarap nito, guys. Meron to sa mga SM and any grocery.
Ito, nakakain din to dito. Cheers. Sarap. Ito
With
parang
custard.
macadamia, pero hindi. I don't know. Ito
Pino
parang
pa.
mochi.
Parang blueberry mochi yan. Ah.
Ano pang nandyan?
Wala na.
Ano?
Ito lang yun.
Amoy isda.
You are right.
Sarap. Ito, tikman natin.
Ito for me, 10 out of 10.
Mochi. Uy, mabango. 8 out of 10.
Premium roll cake. Ang lambot.
Chocolate. 10 out of 10.
Uy,
Mm.
ice cream. Ice cream, oh.
Ang sarap nito. 10 out of 10. Pino. Ooh.
Ano ba to? Lahat binuksan. Oh my God, that is so good.
10 out of 10 din sa akin. Parang unti lang nang binili natin.
Magkano to?
6,000 yen.
6,000 yen. So, naka 3K kami. Ito lang binili natin, 3K.
Ang sarap.
Favorite pa naman ng jowa ko. Sarap.
Umabot tayo ng 3,000 dito. Cheers! First night in Osaka. Wait for me.
In 2 days, nandito na si Crystal.
Cheers!
Cheers! See you tomorrow! Bye! Ohio! Ohio gozaimasu! Gold. So, as bookworms, kailangan matuloy ang aming cafe and book reading. Pagka-uwi namin, after namin uminom, tulog na kami agad. So, now, I think it's around 9:30. And punta muna kami ng cafe. Hanap lang kaming cute cafe para makapagbasa. Ano binabasa mo, love? Hindi si Alec mag-work. Kaya ako, Mind Magic. Medyo niresist ko tong book na to kasi ang lalim niya. Pero ngayon, push. Hindi gold to.
Ang weird ng librong yan eh. Medyo pinkish siya. Pero science na dito siya.
Mabawal ba yun?
Hindi. Tinry ko basahin. Hirapan din ako.
Ang cute ng neighborhood namin. Nigarashi Ward. Story time while I get ready. So, this is our official day 1 here in Japan. And alam nyo ba guys, hindi na dapat talaga kami pupunta dito sa Japan kasi yung initial trip namin last February, hindi natuloy kasi late nakuha yung mga visa. If you don't know what happened, lumipat yung Japan Embassy to VFS. So, mas madali na daw kumuha ng visa ngayon. Pero nung naglilipat sila, it took weeks before you get a schedule. Parang nilimit nila yung mga nagsischedule kasi naglilipat nga sila ng office. So, natamaan kami nun. Yung trip namin was supposed to be Feb 17. Tapos nakuha nila gold yung visa nila that week. Tapos kami nakuha namin, basta late na, mga March na. So, anyway, sila gold, yung validity ng visa nila is only until April 22. So, yung validity ng visa sa Japan, it means kailangan nakapasok ka na within that day. So, let's say sila gold, ang validity ng visa nila until April 22. So, dapat nandito na sila sa territory ng Japan by April 22. So, hindi siya unlike other visas na until that day ka lang pwede. So, yun. So, akala namin initially hanggang April 22 lang sila pwedeng nasa Japan, ganyan. And Holy Week kasi, diba? So, mahal. So, sabi namin, okay, impossible na hindi na kami magja-Japan. So, medyo clear na kami kasi at peace na kami. Although kami ni Alec, medyo sure kami na magja-Japan kami. Parang kahit May, early May, ganun. Japan kami kasi may visa kami and we really wanna use that. So parang, okay, yun na yung plano. And then, nag-check lang ako before the Holy Week ng flights, kung mahal ba, ganun. Tapos, nagulat ako na, ang mura lang ng flight, 16K lang yung base. Akala ko kasi mga 50, ganyan. So, sinabi ko kay Gold and Crystal, like, pag yun ang pag-isipan, let's go. Kasi yung validity ng visa nyo hanggang April 22 naman. So, pwede pa talaga kayong pumunta. We decided na, okay, sige, last minute. Let's go on Easter Sunday. Kaya lang si Crystal, may activity pa siya today. Si Crystal, bukas pa yung arrival niya. So, nag-book agad ako Airbnb. Wala pa kaming itinerary. Like, until last night, ginagawa pa ni Alec yung itinerary. Ganun. Yun yung reason kung ba't kami nasa Japan bigla. This was a free trip initially, but we decided, let's go for it. Diba? YOLO, as always. After we decided to go, wala kami itinerary, I just booked it. Feeling ko napilitan lang din sila at wala silang magawa. Some things about this trip is flow lang kami. Like, ang goal lang namin, kumain ng masarap. Kung makakain kami ng masarap, happy na kami. Universal Studios. So, we booked Universal Studios on our last day. I love traveling to places na hindi ko din alam kung anong meron. So, yun. Pero babalik kami here ng September because yung trip namin natutuloy naman. With one of our clients, si Miss Peng Mendoza, we handled her content since March last year and now she has 700,000 followers in Co-Create. By the way, guys, yung saksakan dito, 110. So, yung steamer namin, and feeling ko yung Dyson din, hindi gagana. So, I guess ito na yun. Tsaga-tsaga na lang sa mga hair ko.
The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just
Pag nandito kayo sa Japan, tapos wala kayong maayos sa itinerary, kahit saan na lang kayo makapunta at kumain.
Authentic naman.
Kasi lahat masarap. So, meron kami pupuntahan dapat Yakiniku, pero mga 1 kilometer pa. Dito na kami kumain. Kung saan man to? Gyudon and Katsudon.
Sarap.
Sabi, masarap ba may cheese?
Mabubusog ka niya.
When you're in Japan, antay ka lang. Minsan, one restaurant away lang yung masarap kainan. Nag-decide ka agad, kumain. So, Okinawa Steakhouse. Ooh, kaya pa naman ang tiyan ko. Uwi muna kami kasi nagugutom. Naaantok talaga ako. So, mamaya sa Dotonbori kami magsha-shopping.
Plastic ka na po.
Let's take a nap po. Update. Tinatamad na kaming pumuntang Dotonbori. Mag-shopping sana kami. Pero bukas na lang pag nandito na si Cristel. So now we have to conserve our energy. We will just buy dito. Pangalan yan, Kitchen Origins. May itlog mo. Dinner lang tayo. Ito yung aming light dinner. Tapos ito yung dessert namin. Rice crackers. Okonomiyaki. Gyudon. Karage. Egg. Piniling. Yakisoba. And takoyaki. Sarap, 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 sarap. Sobrang sarap. Kumain tayo dun sa mga sobrang sarap. Ting my inner child. Naalala ko pag sa may Circle C, pagpupunta kami sa mga chips, ganyan. Mahal to. Hindi ko to afford. Minsan lang. Ano mo to?
Rice steak.
Ano?
Ang point ng cherry blossoms ay hindi lang para sa aesthetics. In ancient Japanese, sineselebrate talaga yung cherry blossoms as a way to manifest. Kasi cherry blossoms only happens 1 to 2 weeks in sa spring. So they use the collective energy ng mga tao to celebrate for the already bountiful autumn. So sineselebrate na agad nila yung next season sa spring kasi they believe in using that collective chi or energy as a way. So celebration talaga siya.
Chincha?
Chincha. Kaya pala feeling ko parang
Para mo
I'm
na
celebrating
ma-manifest ka.
7 figures every month. I'm celebrating traveling to the world. I'm celebrating the most abundant life.
I'm celebrating my breakfast. Day 3! So, may natira kaming onigiri. We have mangoes. And my Joe's got me coffee from...
Lawson's
Coffee. Ha? Painit mo na namin. Pero you have to open here 1, 2, and then 3. Para hindi siya masira. Mas makinig kayo kasi baka bumili kayo onigiri. Buksan nyo ng kung paano ha. All the way. You open it all the way yung 1. All the way. Okay, hanggang matanggal. Yan na siya. Okay? And then you choose this one. Sorry. Medyo buo pa naman siya. Babe! I think it was too hot.
Aesthetic ka pa.
Hindi. Mali nga eh.
Ayan.
This is mango. Ano nangyari dito? Wawa naman tayo. How to not open your onigiri pala dapat. Babe, ang sarap.
Lunch?
Mango peach. Favorite niya tuna mayo. Tingnan niyo, ang saya niya. What if mango and rice yung natanggal? Mango sticky rice. Parang nasa Makati lang tatawid ng Rada. Ohio! So, dito na kami sa labas ng Airbnb. And susunduin na namin si Cristel, yung anak namin. So proud of her. She traveled all the way to Japan on her own. Mag-isa siya nag-travel. First time niya mag-travel abroad alone. Tapos sa Japan agad. So we're so proud of her. Sunduin na namin siya sa Namba Station. So isang train ride lang. Sobrang masarap.
Sobrang masarap.
Bill was 6,600 yen.
Sulit.
So, mga 800 each. Pero, sulit. Ang laki ng slab ng beef eh. Nandito ka lang, anak! Nagkamali kami ng pinasukan. Second. Social. Kasi may tanggalan ng shoes na nagagawa. Dinner to ni Crystal. So, bibigyan natin siya ng masarap na dinner. Kahapon, takoyaki lang kami. Ngayon, medyo nakaangat-angat tayo sa buhay. Ooh. Okay.
Panis na.
Good.
Ay na ba yung ganong graceful?
Oh.
You do it with finesse. You do it like...
Babe, alam mo, wala kami.
Walang bawal yan. Collect. After that, you just roll it into like a very nice ball like that. And then, that's when you start to make it.
Oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. Total bill was
15,000
38,000 yen. So around 15,000. Divided by 4. So, 3, almost 4K each. Plus yung nakiswipe sila. So dagdagan ko na siguro ng 1K each. Ice cream. Naubusan na sa Cremia.
Sarado na yung mga stores.
So dito na lang kami.
But still good.
Matcha and chocolate. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Done now with day 1 with Crystal and day 3. May meeting na kami. Uwi muna kami. See you tomorrow. Guys, day 4 na kami. At ginabi na kami bago kami makatour. Kasi nagpahinga kami. Nag 10 km run sila Gold. Nag-work kami ni Alec. Ito talaga yung maganda sa long trips na parang hindi siniksik lahat in like a few days. Like you're really taking your time, you have time to rest. Hindi masyadong packed yung schedule nyo na pagod-pagod. So kami, well-rested kami. Well-rested ba kayo guys? Mga nag-nap ng afternoon. Sana all. Hi guys! We're at Ichiran Ramen in Dotonbori. This is one of the most famous ramen places in the whole Japan. Pwede kang bumili ng ramen to go. Na-try ko na to before, papatry ko sa kanila. Sasagutan mo na yung preference mo, yung order mo, para bibigay mo na lang doon. And then ready na yan. Pag upo mo, ready na yan. In case you're wondering, this is my order. Wala. May pila pa ulit. Blind feedback to guys. So, hindi sila namimili ng isoserve based sa itsura mo. Pero based sa kuko mo. Excited ka na? Okay, room tour. It's noisy. Huwag daw maingay. I don't know the ordering process. I'm leaving my seat at any moment. Grabe, ang galing sa Japan. Hindi ka talaga mawawala. Dito pa yung guide. Like a bowl and utensils. And then, if you want to order more, you can also request this. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is around 440 pesos. Plus egg. Siguro mga 550. Ang sarap yung sinigang dito. Grabe. You like it.
So good is the best. Nakakahiyak. Ang sarap.
Kailangan maingay. We're getting Cremia. Ito daw yung pinakamasarap na ice cream and most popular ice cream in Osaka. Libre kami ni Crystal. Libre mo ba kami? Yeah. Wow!
Man, good.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ohayo! Nasa Kyoto na kami. Today is the day that we're traveling to Kyoto and Nara. So, nag-DIY lang kami. Hindi kami magto-tour guide because alam namin di namin kaya yung 7 a.m. na call time. So, now we're going to Fushimi Inari Temple. I think ito yung mga red na temples. Yung emoji. Insert emoji here. So, yun. Nasa train kami. So, from Imazoto, sumakay tayo to Chushihari. Tapos from Chushihari, naglipat tayo ng Keihan Line. Tapos nag-JR Line kami, diretso to dito. Nasa Tambabashi. And then now, we're transferring to their local train going to Fushimi Inari Temple. Siyempre, lagi kaming nag-vendo stop. Tapos nagulat ako, BTS yun na. Namili lang ako ng milk tea. Paglabas niya may tiny tan pa. Itong dalawa. Anong pinili niya? Pakita niyo yung pinili niya. Latte. Ang sarap ba yung latte? Medyo matapos. First time kong tatawid sa train, ha?
Meron din tayo ganito sa Maynila.
Ha?
Meron din tayo ganito sa Maynila.
Saan? Ayan na. Kain muna tayo. Wow! Food market! The place of matcha.
静かな光の中映し出す無邪気に彩られたその瞳 Yeah そう僕ら ありがちなシナリオ頭の中駆け巡らせて
Nice.
流行る気持ちを笑い飛ばして君が歌う声に耳を澄まして
Wow.
Yeah 悪くはないまるで絵本のような世界正義も悪もいなくて月と星がダンスして響き合う
Okay guys, 10,000 daw yung, anong tawag doon? Torikatsu. Ito yung Tori Temple, 10,000 pieces. Pieces! 10,000 daw yun. Ito ata, oh, kain na tayo dito. Yan, oh. Ay, yawa. Anyway, 10,000 daw yung Tori. Kulay orange. Mga 300 pa lang, pababa na kami kasi mainit. Tapos hiking. Nagbayad pa kami. Huwag na kayo magbayad. Wala naman palang mag-check. Buti na lang meron kaming Gen Z chat GPT expert.
No need for a tour guide.
She's masters in chat GPT and AI. PhD. Here at, ano pangalan ito? Hindi ko alam. Basta dito kami sa gilid-gilid lang ng Kyoto Inari Shrine because gutom na kami. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. And it's 2 p.m. Para kang nasa Tokyo-Tokyo. Oo nga. Guys, mamamatay na ako. Super sakit yung puson ko, pero tuloy natin ang tour kasi nandito na tayo and sobrang ganda. I'm so happy. Pinilit natin mag ganito. Miss na daw ni Gold yung co-create. Another day, another sleigh. We're done. Bukas ay shopping day, then uwi ano. Tayo! It's already our 5th day. Or 6th day. It's already our 6th day. And nauna na sila Gold. Umalis na sila. So late kami nagising. So last night, after namin sa Kyoto, sobrang pagod talaga kami nun. Pipila dapat kami sa Tendon Makino, which is the best tempura in Dotonbori. Pero parang yung wait time was like 40 minutes. We were so hungry. Kumain kami sa tabi nun, which is Matsuya. Yung gyudon bowl nila, parang Yoshinoya, ganun. Parang 400 yen lang ata, or 600 yen lang. Sobrang mura. Tapos sobrang sarap, sobrang efficient, sobrang bilis. Para siyang fast food. Tapos may cubicle din kayo. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, sobrang pagod ako talaga kagabi. So yun, di na kami nakapag-shop. After nun, nag-Crimea ulit kami. Ang sarap nung matcha latte nila doon sa Excelsior Cafe. Also in Dotonbori. So, after nang umuwi na kami, sobrang pagod talaga kami. Parang 21,000 steps kami last night. Tapos pag uwi, as in nakahiga na ako, hindi na ako tumayo. Today is our shopping day, final bili-bili. Kasi tomorrow, Universal Studios Japan kami. And then the next day, uwian na. Today is the only day na makakapag-shop kami. So, let's go! Guys, bumalik kami ng Dear Bros kasi super sarap. This time, I got the chicken and beef. So, siya maubos. Sobrang dami niya. Pwede palang mag-share yung nasa harap namin. Nag-share lang siya. So, kasi yung bill namin dito is 5,520. Remind ko pala kayo, if you need wifi, Big Sky. Ilang gamit namin wifi dito sa Japan. Lalo na ang pangit ng wifi sa yung Airbnb. Like, laging nawawala. Buti na lang meron kaming pocket wifi na dala. We are at Kurumon Market. So, dito kami maghahanap ng matcha set. And hopefully, may makita kami. Kasi, kahapon pa kami naghahanap ni Alec. Wala talaga kami makita kahit sa Kyoto. And unfortunately, meron daw shortage of matcha. So, tingnan natin dito. Maruyoshi. Let's go. Okay, may nahanap tayo.
Just can't let go of you. I don't wanna fall in love no more. It's just too much. It's just too much.
Arigato money.
Ito money. Sabi ng jowa ko, libre niya ako, pero ako nagbayad. Arigato gozaimasu. Parang di sila nagpapatalo. Pag nag-arigato ka, arigato ulit sila.
Hindi, thank you. Hindi,
Thank you! Thank you pa!
Thank you pa.
Wow! Damn.
Party had me like it Don't give me empty words if they ain't true. I don't wanna fall in love, no, no. It's just too much. It's just too much.
Bili na kami. GU pa rin ang bagsak. We're done shopping. And another GU. Huwag niyo nang tanongin kung magkano. And then now we're gonna look for, what do you want?
Mo rin nabili ka lang.
Dami ko nga nabili na.
Dami.
Oh.
10 pesos per drink. Diba? Pinsan nyo na po. Dito nag-ako siya. Okay. Pure.
Pure chocolate.
Pure chocolate from Belgium. Nasa yung Belgium chocolate. So, para akong uminom ng Magnum na shake na social.
Ay.
So, Magnum is like cheap na for me. So, napakasarap. Napakasarap. Chocolate. This is so good. Worth it.
Bebe, parang ibang matcha yung nabibili natin. Pakita mo. Anong klaseng matcha yung nabibili natin, babe? Tayo mo yan. Ibang matcha to. Ibang matcha na yung nabili namin. Tayo! On the way to Universal!
Tawag dun sa live.
Anong tanong mo? Anong tanong mo?
Kung sa Disneyland, happiest place on earth, ano naman sa Universal Studios?
Comment below! Let's go! Ang ganda, Universal!
I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dot. All we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud. I'm running out of patience.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Buti hindi tayo sumakay.
Nakakaya. Mamamatay ako.
Anong team song natin? Anong team song natin? Hindi pwedeng 10. Bebe, last day.
Mamimiss ko to.
Tapos pagdating yung audition na lang po. Sa kalimutan ko mag-vlog kasi sobrang sarap. I'm gonna show you the last piece. Kyoto meat. Hirap dito.
Ang sarap.
Guys, ang melon pan, explain mo sa vlog.
Ang melon pan, bread lang.
Melon bread. So, kailangan may ice cream, melon pan with vanilla ice cream.
Tignan mo na lang ng ice cream.
Pila ka na lang ulit sa sakin.
So sad because I'm gonna close the vlog here. We're here at Churaya. Our last matcha. Ang sarap ng Starbucks matcha dito sa Japan. My jowa supporting my matcha life. See you in Manila.